In this video, we are going to integrate Qwen 3.5 35 billion with OpenClaw. Everything running locally, free, without any API key. So let's get started. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. As you can see, we have been covering these new Qwen 3.5 models since yesterday, where we covered their 35 billion, 27 billion and 122 billion. I will be covering more, but this video is focused on integrating it with OpenClaw, which we also covered in depth in the last couple of weeks, as you can see here. Now, what we are going to do in this video, we are going to run this Qwen 3.5 35 billion with Llama.cpp, and then we are going to integrate it with OpenClaw, which will also be running local. I already have this model running locally, as you can see here, with Llama.cpp. And if you don't know how to do that, all you need to do is to just go to my channel and then search with Qwen 3.5. Watch this first video where I have shown you how to install llama.cpp and how to get it running, just like you can see here. It is being served on my local system at this port. Let me quickly also show you how to run it. This is a Python code which I'm running, and this is just sending a new prompt to the model, and the model is responding. Again, this is a simple code it is using on my local host. So again, all of it has been clearly shown in this video, which I will drop the link in video's description or in the first comment. So for now, what we are going to do, we are going to install OpenClaw. The system which I am going to use is this Ubuntu. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Okay, let's clear the screen. And first thing we need to do in order to install OpenClaw is to make sure that node and npm is installed. This is a command we normally use, and you can see that our nvm is installed. Now we can source it into our shell, and that is also done. And you can see the latest version of nvm here. From there we can simply just do nvm install lts, and it is going to install everything we need in terms of node and npm. And by the way, if you don't know what OpenClaw is and what exactly this all fuss is about, just search my channel. I have covered it from every angle possible. Okay, so the prerequisite node is done. Now is the time to install the OpenClaw with npm. This is a simple command which you need to use. It is going to take few seconds to get it installed. Also, if you don't know how to install llama.cpp or you are struggling to get it installed, again just search my channel and especially watch this second video, which will tell you how to install it very easily. And OpenClaw is installed. And you can see that we are running this very latest version of OpenClaw, and this is what you need. Next up, let's onboard it or initialize it. I'm just going to run this OpenClaw onboard, which is going to install the background daemon 2. And what I have noticed is the package is growing a lot. OpenClaw's features are being added on daily basis. And I will go through this visit. So I'm just going to say, okay, this is it is powerful and inherently risky. Let's do the quick start. Really doesn't matter. I'm just going to skip this OpenAI and all this from here because I want to configure it manually. And don't worry, whatever configuration I'm going to use, I'm just going to provide it to you. Let's select all provider, keep current, and then I'm not configuring anything here. If you want to configure Telegram or anything, I already have done heaps of videos on it. Just search the channel. I'm not configuring any scale or anything else. Just press spacebar, press enter, and that should install gateway service, which is a bridge between your OpenClaw core and your external channels. I'll just say, okay, I'll just do this thing later too. And that should be it. And of course, I mean, security is must in OpenClaw, and you should be responsible for it. And if you don't know how to do that, just watch this video, Secure OpenClaw, and that should give you everything you need in order to get it secured. And everything is fine now. So OpenClaw is installed and initialized. Now we need to configure it, or in other words, integrate it with our Llama.cpp model. So I'm just going to clear the screen, and I'm going to maybe stop this and open this new configuration file of OpenClaw in VS Code to show you what it looks like vanilla. So this is a vanilla file, nothing in it. And I'm going to replace this whole content with a new one where I'm just going to use my llama.cpp. So you can see the key difference here is the provider name, which is llama.cpp, and the base URL points to our running server at port 8080. The API field is set to some OpenAI completion, which is correct for llama.cpp standard endpoint. The model ID matches what llama.cpp is serving, and I'm also using the llama.cpp prefix, as you can see here, for the agent's default to tell OpenClaw which provider to route 3. And don't worry, I will provide you the link to this file in the first pinned comment, and it will also include all the commands which I am using. So now, as our configuration file is correct, let's go back, and I'm just going to go here. Let's clear the screen, and now we need to just start the gateway service. And there you go. So you can see that our llama.cpp Qwen3.5 35 billion is running on our local system, and you can use it from any endpoint. You can integrate it with Telegram or any other communication channel quite easily. And this is what it looks like when it runs in the terminal. And if you are curious about my VRAM consumption, which I already have shown you in another video, this is what it looks like at the moment, 36.45, which is not bad for such a model. And the model is simply out of this world. I have been using it since yesterday, and we also tested it out thoroughly here. This is one of the best mixture of expert model I have seen in the last 2 to 3 weeks, which is, I guess, a long time in AI. Check it out. Let me know what do you think. Also, if you face any issues, feel free to put it in the comments. But now you can see that we are running a full personal AI assistant gateway with session management, tool use, workspace, channel support, all powered entirely by a local model on your GPU. We already have seen how to do it with Llama, we have seen it with LM Studio, and we have seen it with OpenCode and a lot of other tooling. As you can see, I think I have done more than 40 videos already on just this OpenClaw. And if you just want to swap the model with any other model like 27 billion or any other, you just need to change one line in that config, restart your gateway, and you are off. So that's it. Let me know what you think. Again, please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. And please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Also, if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Thank you for all the support.